Hey, big guy. I know you only had a little nap. We're here. See? We're here. Want to go get out your season pass now, buddy?
Yeah, I want a little to be here at this.
You have a little sleep in here, you said?
Yeah, it's like this. But
Do you have to go pee?
No, I want to have a tire like this, but that's all. And then put it.
And then we can go in?
Yeah.
Guys, what? Why is that green lift up there, up high? That way you could ski under it. How you doing? All right. All right. Go down that way. Remember, I'll slow you down if you go too fast. Go in between the markers. Okay, we're gonna go this way. Look in front of you. I am taping. We're gonna turn again and slow you down a bit. Okay, remember at the bottom you go straight. I'm going to slow you down a bit more. Okay, now stand up. Alright, now remember when you want to stop, you can fall if you want. I'll be right beside you. Don't go to the road. Avoid the road. Now you have to go to your left. Now we have to go to the ski line, mister. Over here. Are you having fun today, Jake?
Yeah.